Dear students, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today I have brought for you some extra questions of chapter 8 class 10 introduction to trigonometry. These are very important questions and these all questions have come in the exam, in the annual exam of CBSE board. So let's start these questions. So first question is, if secant theta plus tan theta is equal to x, find tan theta. So in this type of questions, what we do, first of all, it is given that secant theta plus tan theta is given to us x. Okay, so what we do, we will have one identity that secant square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. We will use this identity, right? So we can apply now here a square minus b square, that is, this is a plus b into a minus b, okay, is equal to 1. Now what is given to us? Secant theta plus tan theta is given to us x. So we can fill here in place of this x because it is x. So it is x into secant theta minus tan theta is equal to 1. So now what will the value of secant theta minus tan theta? This x will go in the denominator. So it is 1 over x. Suppose this is equation 1, this is equation 2. So now we can solve equation 1 and 2 by elimination method. Okay, so solving 1 and 2. Okay, so if I add these two equations, then tan theta and tan theta will be cancelled, right? So we can get the value of secant theta, like 2 secant theta is equal to x plus 1 by x aa jayega. But we need the value of tan x or tan theta, so we'll subtract these two equations, and you know, in subtraction the signs will be changed. So this secant will become minus, this tan become plus, and this become minus. So signs will be changed. So secant theta and secant theta will be cancelled, right? Because these are of opposite signs. And now tan theta plus tan theta is 2 tan theta is equal to x minus 1 by x, right? So what it becomes, 2 tan theta is equal to x, you take common LCM, so it becomes x into x is x square and minus here 1. So this 2 will also go in the denominator. So tan theta value is x square minus 1 over this 2 will go here. So 2x, this is tan x or tan theta value. Okay. So if it is asked from you that find the value of secant theta, then what you do, you will add these two equations, add these. I have done here subtraction, you can add these, then tan will be cancelled and you will get the value of secant theta here. So any question will come to find the value of tan theta or secant theta, you can go for this solution. Now let's do the second question. What is given? If sine a plus sine square a is equal to 1, find the value of cos square a plus cos power 4a. So here what is given? Sine a plus sine square a is given to you as 1. So from here what you do, you take this sine square a to right hand side. So what it becomes? See, sine a is equal to 1 minus sine square a. Right, and you know what is 1 minus sine square a? That is cos square a. Okay, so this is suppose number 1 equation. Now what is to be found out, that you write here? We have to find out cos square a plus cos power 4a. So its value, see here, if sine a is cos square a, so we can write in this place as, we can write in place of cos square as sine a, because cos square is equal to sine a here. So we can write here sine a, right, plus, or sorry, here you can write sine a plus, now cos power 4a. So cos square a is sine a. So what is cos power 4a? We have to do squaring here. So cos power 4a will be sine square a, because after squaring here, it will come here cos power 4 and here sine square. So cos power a is sine square a. Okay, so see here, what is the value of this? Sine a plus sine square a. What is sine a plus sine square a? That is 1 given. So it is 1 answer. So this way we will solve the second question. Third question is, this is sine theta over 1 plus cos theta plus 1 plus cos theta over sine theta is equal to 2 cosecant theta we are to prove. So let's start from left hand side. We will keep solving left hand side and we get the right hand side after that. So let's see. Now we can take LCM of these, and their LCM will be their product only. So 1 plus cos theta into sin theta is the LCM, right? So here sin theta into sin theta will come, sin square theta, plus 1 plus cos theta into 1 plus cos theta is 1 plus cos theta square will come. So let's see. Now open this a plus b whole square. So first of all, it is sin square theta plus it is 1 plus cos theta square, that is a square, 1 square is 1, plus b square, this, plus 2 into 1 into cos theta, that is 2 cos theta. And in the denominator you can write as it is. So let's see, we have to bring the answer as 2 cosecant theta. So see here, sin square theta plus cos square theta, we can write these two as 1. We know sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1, and plus this one plus 2 cos theta over 1 plus cos theta into sin theta, right? So it becomes here 2 plus 2 cos theta over 1 plus cos theta into sin theta. Now 2 can be taken common in the numerator, so it becomes 2 common, so it is left 1 plus cos theta is left inside, and here denominator 1 plus cos theta into sin theta, right? So 1 plus cos theta will be cancelled, so it is left 2 over sin theta. So you know 2, and this is 1 over sin theta, so 1 over sin theta is cosecant theta. You know sin theta is the reciprocal of cosecant theta, or cosecant theta is the reciprocal of sin theta. So 2 cosecant theta has come, so that is equal to right hand side. So we have proved this. Now the fourth question is, prove that tan a plus secant a minus 1 over tan a minus secant a plus 1 is equal to 1 plus sin a over cos a. So in these type of questions, what we do, we'll write in this place of 1 as, like if it is tan and secant, then what is the relation between tan and secant? So 1 is equal to secant square a minus tan square a. So we'll fill that identity in place of 1. What we will fill? Secant square a minus tan square a, because we know secant square a minus tan square a is 1. Okay, so left hand side we have taken here. So what I told you, that in these type of questions, what we will use this 1. This 1 will be used as, that is secant square a minus tan square a, right? So it is 1 only that we have read this identity, and in the denominator we keep on writing as it is only till last. Okay, here we apply a square minus b square, that is a plus b into a minus b. So let's see what will be happened here. This I have taken in bracket now. Now it is a, this is a plus b, formula is there, a square minus b square is a plus b into a minus b, right? Like this way I have written. So it is tan a. Now what we do, from these two, from this and from this, what is common? First of all, write denominator also, tan a minus secant a plus 1. So in the numerator, what is common? So you know tan a plus secant a is common. This is common. So what is left here? So I have taken this common, so it is left 1 here, minus, and tan a plus secant a is taken common. So what is left? This one is left, but minus sign is there outside. So all the signs will be changed inside. So secant a becomes minus secant a, and minus minus it becomes plus tan a, right? If you see the denominator, that is totally same as this part. It is same, see here. So this will be cancelled with this. So we are left with tan a plus secant a. So is it proved? No, no problem. So what we do now? Now we'll change tan and secant into sin and cos. So you know what is tan? Tan is sin a over cos a. And what is secant a? That is 1 over cos a. So you can take cos a LCM also, or these are like terms only. So cos a is taken here. So what is left? Sin a plus 1. So I hope it is done only, same thing. So that is equal to right hand side, hence proved. So this way we will do this question also. See fifth question. Very important question. If cos theta plus sin theta is equal to root 2 cos theta, show that cos theta minus sin theta is a root 2 sin theta. So in this type of questions, what we do, first of all, we are taking left hand side. I have taken not left hand side, this is given only, this is given. We are starting from the given and keep on solving it till we are getting the which is to be proved. So let's start. I have taken this. So now this is cos. So take this cos also to the right hand side. So it becomes sin theta is equal to root 2 cos theta minus cos theta, right? So in right hand side you can take common as cos theta. So root 2 minus 1 is left. Okay. So it is now you can see sin theta, and here in the numerator and denominator you can multiply by root 2. What is root 2 minus 1 over, or you can say root 2 plus 1 and root 2 plus 1. You can multiply with this number. Okay, this is our trick. What we do, we'll multiply numerator and denominator with root 2 plus 1, root 2 plus 1 to make it here a formula here, a minus b into a plus b. So let's see what will be happened. Sin theta is equal to cos theta. This is over root 2 minus plus 1, and here we can apply here a minus b into a plus b, that is a square minus b square. So root 2 square is 2 minus 1 square is 1. So this is left. You can cross multiply here also. So it becomes root 2 sin theta plus 1 into sin theta is sin theta only, right, is equal to 2 minus 1 is 1, 1 into cos theta is cos theta. So see here what we are to prove. We are to prove that cos theta minus sin theta is root 2 sin theta, and it is there only. See here, take this sign here. So what will be there? Root 2 sin theta is equal to cos theta minus sin theta, and which is to be proved only, right? So dear students, this question can come in two styles. First style is this only. Second, it may be asked that if cos theta minus sin theta is equal to root 2 sin theta is given and we are to prove this, then what we do, we take this sin theta to this side and take sin theta common also, and inside it is left root 2 plus 1. So up and down you can multiply with root 2 minus 1 over root 2 minus 1. So this way we can proceed with this question. So it can be asked like this way also. So next question is, if cos alpha over cos beta is equal to m and cos alpha over sin beta is equal to n, then show that m square plus n square is into cos square beta is equal to n square. So what we do in this question, we'll take this left hand side, okay, and fill the value of m and n from here given, okay, here, and we will be keep solving, and after all we will get the answer as n square. So it is proved like this way. So let's start from left hand side. I have taken m square plus n square into cos square beta. So let's see what is the value of m. M is cos alpha. So it is cos, m square will be cos square alpha, okay, over cos square beta, plus n square is cos square alpha over sin square beta into cos square beta as it is here. Okay, so if you see here, you can take LCM here. LCM will be their product only. So it will be cos square beta into sin square beta will be the LCM, right? So see, this will be multiplied by this and this will be multiplied by this, cross multiply you can say. So it becomes cos square alpha into sin square beta plus here cos square alpha into cos square beta, right, and into cos square beta as it is. So cos square beta can be cancelled, right? So you can see here in the numerator cos square alpha is common in both these. So what is left here? Sin square beta plus here cos square alpha taken common. What is left? Cos square beta, right, over sin square beta. You know now sin square beta plus cos square beta is 1 because sin square a plus cos square a is 1. So this is 1, right? So you can reuse this is 1. So what is left with us? Cos square alpha over sin square beta is left, or you can say this as cos alpha over sin beta ka whole square you can write. Now see what is cos alpha over sin beta. Cos alpha over sin beta is what? This is n, so this will be n square. So that is to be proved only, which is equal to right hand side, hence proved. So this way. Now the seventh question is prove that cosecant power 4 theta minus cosecant square theta is equal to cot square theta plus cot power 4 theta. So what we do, we'll start from the left hand side, okay, and keep solving it till to the right hand side. We'll get the answer to the right hand side. So let's start. I have taken cosecant power 4 theta minus cosecant square theta. Now from these two, if you see what is common, cosecant square theta is common. So what is left here? In first case it is left cosecant square theta, because square theta is taken common, so cosecant square theta is left, minus here it is left 1, right? So now what we do, we have one identity that cosecant square theta is 1 plus cot square theta, right? That will write. And from this identity only, see here I have this identity, cosecant square theta is equal to 1 plus cot square theta. Okay, so if I bring this 1 to this side, so it becomes cosecant square theta minus 1 is equal to cot square theta. So cosecant square theta minus 1 is equal to cot square theta, right? So you can open the bracket now. Cot square theta into 1 is cot square theta plus cot square theta into cot square theta is cot power 4 theta, and this is what our right hand side, which is to be proved here. So we can write here that is equal to right hand side, so proved. So this way we'll do the seventh question. Now let's solve eighth question. What is given in the eighth question? If secant theta plus tan theta is equal to p, prove that sin theta is equal to p square minus 1 over p square plus 1. So value p is given this, secant theta plus tan theta, and we need to prove this is equal to sin theta. What we do, we'll start from here. We'll fill the value of p here as secant theta plus tan theta here also and here also, and keep on solving this, and at last we will get the answer sin theta. If I get the answer sin theta, then that will be the result only, will be equal. So let's start. So we have here p square minus 1 over p square plus 1. So we'll fill the value of p, and you know what is the value of p here? This is secant theta plus tan theta. So here you can write secant theta plus tan theta, right, square minus 1 over secant theta plus tan theta square plus 1. This is p value we have filled. Now a plus b whole square you can apply here in the numerator and denominator. So a plus b whole square is, this is a square, this is b square, this is plus 2ab over sorry, this is minus 1 also there. So again here a square plus b square plus 2ab, right, plus 1. Now so this is, so now you can see that secant square theta minus 1, secant square theta minus 1, we have identity secant square theta minus 1 is tan square theta. So I have written this secant square minus 1 as tan square, and one more tan square is there with us, and rest you write as it is. So let's see what will be happened. So this is over, this is also secant square theta plus 1, and this is tan square theta plus 1. You know tan square theta plus 1 is what? That is secant square theta. So this secant square theta as it is, and tan square theta plus 1, that is also secant square theta, plus this as it is, 2 secant theta tan theta as it is. So this is, now let's see what will be there. Tan square theta plus tan square theta is 2 tan square theta plus 2 secant theta tan theta, right, over here also secant square theta plus secant square theta is 2 secant square theta plus 2 secant theta tan theta as it is. So if you see here, we will have 2 common in the numerator also and 2 common in the denominator also. Let's write on this sheet only. So 2 is taken common in the numerator. What is left inside? Tan, or you can say here, you can take here 2 tan theta also common. Tan theta is also common. So you take 2 tan theta as common in the numerator. So what is left here? See, it is left tan theta plus 2 secant theta, right, over. Now here what is common? It is common 2 secant theta is common here. So inside what is left? Secant theta plus tan theta, right? So this is taken common. So here also 2 will not be there, sorry. 2 tan theta is taken common, so 2 will not come. So see here, these can be cancelled, right? 2 can be cancelled. So we are left with tan theta over secant theta. So you know tan theta can be written as sin theta over cos theta, right? Over, this is secant theta. Secant theta can be written as 1 over cos theta. So that cos theta will go in the numerator, right? So cos and cos will be cancelled, and that is equal to sin theta. So this is only we are to prove that this is equal to sin theta. So this way we will do these questions. Thanks for watching.